What happened yesterday morning is a continuation of a gang conflict that started sometime in August, where some incident happened, and this yesterday seemed to be a response to what happened then as part of the ongoing gang conflict. So they carried out an operation this morning. It was intelligence led. Out of that operation, they seized two illegal firearms. One person, there was an incident, and one person was fatally shot, and three persons taken into custody. One of the person that died in the incident this morning was named yesterday afternoon by the investigators as a person of interest. He was named on the list as Gaza or Gaza man. So the firearm was seized, and he unfortunately he died during that incident. One of the person in custody of the three is a brother of his, and there are two other persons